What's good, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get 3 views per minute on your YouTube channel. Now, if you don't believe that I'm going to show how to get 3 views per minute, then I recommend staying around because I'm going to make this video as short as possible and as simple as possible because this method can work for a channel of any size. If you guys want your comment pinned on this video, all you need to do is turn notifications on, comment within the first 20 minutes of when I upload, and if you guys could share this video on whatever social media site you like, that would be great. Also, if you're interested in partnering your channel or watching a video on how to partner your channel, the links will be at the bottom of the description. Now, I just want to do some quick math to show you guys exactly how many views you need to get per minute, per hour, per day, and per month in order to reach the overall goal of 3 views per minute. Now, if we take 3 views per minute, we multiply it by 60, we get 180 views per hour. When we multiply that by 24, because there's 24 hours in a day, we get 4,320 daily views. And then when we multiply that by 30, which is an approximate average for every month, and how many days there are in a month, we get 129,600 views. So the overall monthly goal in order to get 3 views per minute is to reach 129,600 or 130,000 views per month. So now that we figured out exactly how many views we need to get per month in order to get 3 views per minute, we need to see what video searches are getting searched at least 130,000 times per month. I'm going to leave a link in the description to this website here, which allows you to search different video names or different video tags, and you get to see how many times they get searched per month. Now, the overall goal is to figure out what tags and what video names or video ideas you can use that get monthly search volumes of over 130,000. Now, you guys can take multiple tags and add them up, and all they need to do is equal a number higher than 130,000, and that means that people are going to be searching for those terms around 130,000 times per month, meaning that they're going to be able to see your video approximately 130,000 times per month, which equals 3 views per minute. So let's just say you play Minecraft mini games. If we look up the word Minecraft on here and we let the search engine load, we'll be able to see that the word Minecraft gets searched 1.5 million to 6.9 million times per month. But because a ton of people use that in their tags and in their video names, we're going to scroll down and we're going to try and find a video tag that has approximately 50 to maybe 120,000. Now, as you guys can see here, one of them is Minecraft mods. That gets around 70,000 to 118,000 searches per month. If you go Minecraft servers, you get approximately the same number. Now, if we used both of these tags and we use them in our titles and our descriptions, you guys could get at least 140,000 searches on your video per month. Now, obviously, a lot of people are going to be using these tags, so that number might vary a little bit more, but this is the search volume that you guys are going to be seeing. So if you guys have these tags in your titles, descriptions, and your tag section, you guys are going to be more likely to reach this amount of searches per month. Now, if we scroll down and we take a look at the more niche-driven tags, you guys could see that Mojang account page gets 11 to 50 searches per month. And if we scroll down more, we'll be able to see Minecraft download free. That gets around 2.9 to 4.3 thousand views or searches per month. So now what I recommend doing is taking a look at what your channel is based upon, whether you do gaming, whether you do how-tos, DIYs, whatever you guys do, take a look at what video ideas you guys might have in mind and see what video searches and video tags would get you approximately 130,000 searches per month. Because if you guys, especially if you rank on the YouTube search page, you guys will be getting the first clicks from those 130,000 searches per month. So that's how you do it. That's how you get 3 views per minute. All you need to do is figure out what searches add up to 129,600, or basically 130,000 searches per month, and you guys could be on your way to getting 3 views per minute. Again, this may take time. Once you sort of develop your titles, tags, and descriptions, you guys will be set on getting 3 views per minute. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and with that said, I'll see you guys on the next one.